Engagement measures the depth of user activity in discovering or experiencing more value moments from your product. It's important to think about measuring engagement as being on a spectrum of depth instead of simply a 1 or 0 state. This means breaking down engagement into a few different substates or cohorts that help you track different levels of usage. A typical example is defining your engagement cohorts as casual, core, and power users. It's important to think about your approach to increasing engagement and decide which one is the right fit for your product. This would allow you to align the right engagement metrics and analysis for your strategy. There's generally 4 classifications of engagement strategies. Moving your users to adopting additional product use cases. Example, Uber Rides to Uber Eats. Increasing the percentage of features that your users are using. Example, search filters, recommendations, match alerts. Increasing your users' product usage frequency. Example, from 1 value action to 3 value actions in 7 days. Increasing your users' intensity with each usage of the product. Example, spending more time playing a game or more money during cart checkouts. Note that these 4 engagement strategies are not mutually exclusive and can be combined depending on your product's value proposition, market vertical, and target users. Once you have determined your engagement strategy, define your engagement cohorts around this strategy with the end goal of moving less engaged users to a more engaged state. DocuSign's example on increasing feature usage might start with cohorting their engagement based on core users using 3 to 5 unique feature sets in a month, and anything below or higher as casual and power users. They would then cross-analyze these cohorts against long-term user retention over time, and then draw finer lines on engagement states.